Thank When I'm doing interrupted cuts like this, my oh geez, this one kind of wants to creep out a little bit. Not sure what to do about that. Maybe adjust my gibs there. Not sure. For now, I just kind of keep my finger right there, and that keeps it in place. Yes, I will have to find something to do with these little pieces. I don't know. I was thinking making some coins or something with them. Stamp them and give them away. What would you like to see stamped on a coin? All I got is numbers, stamps, and letters, so. And keep it simple, because I'm not a great layout guy. Stamp round to it on them? I don't know. At least it, I don't know, this whole bench is kind of not set up right. I don't know, this whole unit right here is a little bit out of kilter with the lathe itself, and you can do a little bit on these adjusters right there, but I think the whole I don't know, mount and everything for the intermediate shaft, like here's the lathe and here'd be the intermediate shaft, and I think the whole shaft, everything, the mount is kind of just ever so slightly that way. So I gotta, you know, and I kind of got it set up right now that if I take too hard of a bite, it'll just slip the belt. And of course on the second gear there, if you want to call it second gear, it slips right off. Let me back off a little bit here. Get everything leveled out first, and then I can go at it again. I got time. I don't have money, but I've got scrap, I got time, and I got an engine lathe. Ain't too much these old boys can't do. Hey, buddy.
Look what I found.
Oh, old grinding wheel.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look at that right there. Make it run itself.
And that's what I'm doing.
Hold your breath.
Nah, it's fine. It's just oil.
What you making? Be sharp.
Yeah, yep, you'll get chips. I'm making this for the tractor. Because the rear end's loosey-goosey.
Here, take back your thing.
Hang on, I'll shut this fan off and then it won't blow the chips at you. Put them on. You're hanging out with me, bud. Because we're running the lathe.
Wow, here's a long thread on the floor.
Yeah. Put your glasses on, man. There.
I'm not good.
You can have Bill. That's fine. There we go. Are you getting hit with chips anymore? Okay.
The chips are like tiny rocket chips.
Yeah, they are. And they're hot. And they come flying off of there.
They're really fast. Look, that one's flying. That's like that. Real wood. A real chip.
And then we put some oil on. Advance the cross feed about 1/8 of a turn. I don't know, like 125 thousandths or so, I think. I think that's what that is. Doesn't seem to
Now look
like.
at this big thread of steel.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
No, that's cold. Yeah, I got more of them.
Whoa, look at this.
That's a good one, ain't it?
Here, put it on there.
And I'll put it on the. Oh, I'll put it on the chip tray.
I like the chip tray.
Ow! Yeah, so do I. Keeps the chips off the bench. Makes it easy to clean.
Nipple.
Oh, dang it. Why did I do that?
Whoa! I didn't see. Can we be done with it for now?
No. We got a lot of cutting left to do.
I hate hanging out with you.
You hate hanging out with me?
I just want to go in and sit on one of the things.
You're, huh?
I just sit on one of
You want to go back in and watch cartoons. That's what you want to do. Put your glasses on. You don't have to hang out for the whole thing. Here, come here. Bill's hanging out with us. Bill's the shop cat.
Yeah, he is the shop cat. Look, Captain Orlov one on the floor.
Oh yeah, they're all over the place.
Yeah, we should clean up your floor.
We really should.
Yeah, any big pills we have, and there's really small ones in there, we'll put dust piles, that's really big, we'll put in a picture frame. In a picture frame, we have something that's shaky to have.
Alright. Crossfeed's still. Now my crossfeed's wanting to pull in. You really want to be on your swing?
Yeah.
You don't want to hang out and run the lathe?
I'm bored.
Well, do you want to try running the lathe?
I need to get a bit more practice.
Well, put Bill down. Let Bill go. As soon as I'm done with this cut, I'll let you run it once, okay?
Right.
All right.
I learned. I'm gonna wear a mask.
You don't need a mask. It's just motor oil. It's fine. We'll do a real light cut too, so it's not throwing a whole bunch of chips. All right? No, hang out, hang out. All right.
Is there anything I can do for the... Is there anything
Yep. Come on over. All right. Wait a minute. There. Okay. This is your power cross feed. Or your power of whatever feed. All right. So you give me your hand. Push it that way.
All right.
That turns it off. Like this. Okay. Now you can move it. See, when it's on, you can't really move it. But when you turn it off, you can move it. All right.
That is my nose.
Yeah, it'll get you. Here, let's drag this over for you. And you can stand up a little bit. All right, get up on the box. There you go. Okay. So first, take this. You can see the oil dripping off. Just drip it right on there. Right onto the piece while it's moving. Just lightly. You don't need a whole bunch. Alright. Okay.
Now what?
Now, turn this in just a little tiny bit. Turn it. Just a little tiny bit. Just like a little more. That's good. Okay, now, hang on. Now, we're going to turn on the engage the feed. Okay, so you pull it this way. There it's on. Now you're cutting. I'll try to block some of the chips for you. Push your glasses up or it'll get you. You're making a cut, buddy. They're hot, ain't they?
Yeah, I need to get out of here.
Hang on. Hang on. I'm getting burnt too, so we're both getting it.
I just want to go.
All right, turn off your power feed. You remember how to do that?
You do it. Help me.
Here, I'll help you. Come here. Just kind of, there you go. All right, we're just real close to picking up the two flats now. I kind of wanted to bring you along for the rest of that. And then you get the idea. Right now I'm just turning two big round slugs. And I know what I need for this side, and it'll probably be the same for the other side. Let's hope. And then we got just a little bit on both sides yet. We're coming in. I just use regular 1030 for cutting oil, because that's what I got. Sometimes it's 90 weight, sometimes it's other stuff. Getting close. I thought I was a little closer, but we're getting close. I just dressed up my bit too, so that'll help. I love this machine. And even if you're in a little efficiency apartment, they sell lathes that'll work. I don't know if I much care for a Chinese lathe, but if that's all I could get, I'd probably use it, you know. Well, no, I wouldn't care for a Chinese lathe. But you can even get you know, you can get old European and American and other stuff. Little tiny lathes, you know. You can find them. Maybe they need a little work. Pick them up pretty cheap. And they'll like built. Better than a tiny Chinese lathe. I wouldn't so much mind everything made in China like it is these days. You know, if you could at least buy something freaking decent. Yeah. Looks like we might have one of the flats gone. And just coming in on the other one. But still, we're, you know, we won wars because of our industry. And that's just, you know, it's gone. We're not raising machinists, we're not raising builders, we're not raising people that do and make and create. We're raising, you know, I don't know, consumers and office workers. Just about that. I think probably one more pass and I'll have it completely round. That bit already sounds like it's getting a little rough, so I'm going to dress it. Kind of jammed in there. There it is. Yeah, just a little bit there. We'll have it. Be nice and round. I got my rough cutter on this side and then flip it over. That's my finish. If you know, I barely use that. Back to business. I wouldn't mind the Allura style tool holder. And of course, I wouldn't mind paying for those inserts. Yeah, barely touch off. Did I actually tighten? Yes. That's nice when you after you dress your bit and you don't tighten the cutter down. And then you make a few passes and you're wondering, what the hell's going on here? I ain't cutting nothing. Oh, yeah. That's a nice cutter. in my book. Well, looks like we just about got it round. Making some chips today. Now it's going to be fun. A little bit more. And then it'll start to get messy. Should have it now. I gotta start grinding chip breakers on these things. I mean, I should, and I want to, and I don't. When you grind a chip breaker on them, I don't know, it kind of, I don't know. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about sometimes, so just, you know. I feel like it kind of messes you up. You only get to dress the cutter so many times before you gotta re-grind your whole chip breaker and everything. Alright, now I'm gonna try a full quarter turn. And hopefully the chip will be a little... Nope, we ain't gonna do that. That's weird. Thought I would have had it this time. Let's shut that off. Try one more. Darn. Well, I guess we'll go a little less aggressive on it. Thought I'd be able to hog in there. Let's try lower speed, possibly. And the chip is just going all kinds of crazy. Oh, there it goes. Hey, that's not so bad like that. At least it ain't turning into huge bird nests on me. See you later! I'm not too far off my line either. Alright, well, you get it. That's a heck of a finish, though, ain't it? And do one more pass like that, and then we'll call it quits on this video. Just made some big, stupid round slugs. That's an 1/8 turn there. I wonder if that'll bird's nest on me. I don't know. It's right in my mouth. Into the mouth. Nice. Sometimes all you hear is kind of a hissing, and that's all you should hear. And sometimes, I guess, you know, you can't exactly have that, but it's nice when that's all you hear is that hissing. It's a good sound. Don't reach in there with your fingers and grab that. Get a hook or something. Old pair of calipers, whatever. This is just a file handle that snapped off of something, and I drilled out the end of a bolt and soldered it in there and bent the file handle over, and that's my chip digger. Heck, don't reach in with your hands. And there you go. Boink. Reaching in with my hands like an idiot. Alright, let's try a full quarter turn. I always keep my compound straight with the crossfeed, or with the direction of the crossfeed, and I don't know what I'm talking about. Just shut up and hog the damn thing off, you idiot. Not a great finish on it, but it ain't gonna matter. Alright, well, you get the idea. I hope you understand the plan, kinda. If you don't, it'll be clear when everything goes together. And it should, if anything works out like I hope it will, it ought to be pretty damn slick. Later.